Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a business account on Twitter, on X. The first thing you need to know is for you create a business account, the only thing you need to do is create another account of X, of Twitter. For example, you go to the X application. If you have your personal account, the only thing you need to do is pick here in the superior left corner of your profile, and you need to pick after that you need to pick here in these 3 points in the right side of the profile, and you need to pick here and create new account. So after that you pick in create account, and you need to choose a language. For example, you pick in next, and after that you need to put all the the information, the what X need to create your account. And after that, the only thing you need to do is setting your account. When you create that account, you need to put the photos, the settings, the product you want to buy, or the service you want to provide in that account, with that account. And that's it. The only thing you need to do is create another account and setting that account for the product of the service you want to buy in this account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.